Hello everyone and welcome to The Sincere Lifestyle. Today we are going to cook gluten-free pizza, and this one's going to have salmon on the top. So we're going to start with a 10 by 15 inch pan, and we're going to use this cauliflower crust I love. We get it from Whole Foods. And so you just start by putting that on the non-stick pan. Then we're going to use sun-dried tomatoes. Now this is in place of the pasta sauce. It's easier to digest, which I love. So we're also going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Just do that now. What's also great on this is garlic, so I'm going to get some minced garlic and sprinkle this on top. So we're gonna add cheese, and I'm not talking about any cheese, dairy-free cheese, and also gluten-free and soy-free. So this is a totally gluten-free pizza, which I love. We're gonna sprinkle that on, a little mozzarella, or faux mozzarella I should say. So we're gonna add smoked salmon to the top. So what I do here is I'll just cut it up in little pieces like this and sprinkle it on top. Finishing touch, we're going to sprinkle some basil on top. Now we're going to pop this in the oven. It's right now at 400, and we're going to put this in for 8 minutes. We're looking for the golden brown touch at the bottom, and until it's golden brown, we're going to just leave it in for 1 minute intervals. Usually it takes 8 to 10 minutes depending on how hot your oven is. So we left it in for 10 minutes, and it looks amazing. Golden brown crust, yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Looks so good, all gluten-free. Can't wait to eat this, look at that. Woo-wee.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.